Hi everyone, this is a 3-minute tutorial on how to use talking points for school teachers. In today's video, we'll be covering how to ask for help in talking points. Here at Talking Points, one of our biggest priorities is making sure that our teachers and schools have all of the help that they need in order to be able to successfully communicate with and engage their families. This is why we make lots of resources available for teachers to access the help that they need. The first set of resources we make available are over 50 help articles that answer some of our most frequently asked questions. You can find these by clicking on the question mark button that will always be on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, and then clicking Resources. A new window will open, redirecting you to Talking Points Help Center, where you can find and browse all of these 50 articles that we have produced with different topics ranging from sending and receiving messages to adding contacts and way beyond. Feel free to browse them and see if the question that you have is one that other teachers have asked us before. It's likely that it is. The next resource that we provide to you is a live chat button that you can use to reach a member of our team who can help you resolve your issue. You can access this again through the question mark at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. But now, selecting Chat with Us, a new window will open for you to chat with a team member to be able to receive help. But while customer support is one of our priorities, we're still a small, scrappy team, so it may take up to a day to hear back from a team member. We also do not typically answer requests outside of our normal business hours. In order to make our help the most effective as possible, please try to include as much information as you can in the description of your issue. This may include specific names of parents or students, a specific class name, or a detailed description of what exactly is happening. Additionally, if you're receiving any sort of error message from the Talking Point system, a picture or screenshot of this specific message will be extremely helpful to us in solving your problem. If you simply reach out to us saying, "I need help," our team members will likely have to ask you more questions to get to the bottom of the problem and help you get on your way. So the more information that you provide to us, the faster we can make sure that you have the resources and assistance that you need. And there you have it. That's how to ask for help. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for further Talking Points for School Teachers help topics.